today I will be showcasing a project I built called CryptoScanCheck. CryptoScanCheck is a cryptocurrency adverse risk analysis platform that works with multiple block explorers including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Solana, Doge, Litecoin and many more. So at the moment I am running this project on my local host. So let's log in and take a look. This, this is the main search page of the application. The core functionality starts when a user enters any cryptocurrency wallet address. One of the key features of this platform is automatic chain detection, which means the system identifies the blockchain network on its own and the user does not need to manually select a chain. So I am taking one of the Bitcoin address. And I don't have to choose the this thing because it's on auto tech mode. Let's scan the address. So this is the so you can see here the this is the scan result, and you can see this is the risk assessment, and we have chosen the sanction address. So you can see here this sanction address is not in my data set, so that's why there is no hash match calculation is there, but rest of the calculation is there, like transaction pattern, address age and the sanctions presence. And on the right side you can see the overview of this address, like the address and the checksum SHA-256 of this address and the blockchain summary. So this is the public information which we are fetching from the public block explorer, and it is available on the public block explorer. If anyone want to access this information is there also, but here I'm maintaining a platform where I can enter any address and it shows the result. I don't have to choose different block explorer for each time whether. So if I'm using a Doge address, I simply scan the Doge address and it will show the result in this platform instead of going to the separate chain explorer of the Doge. Similar for the other chain types. So in the below you can see the risk analysis summary, and in next pane, counterparty pane, is a number of transactions has been done by the other of the chain addresses. So that's the list is there. I am using the basic public APIs of the block explorer, so there are chances that the counterparty analysis is not the detail and the detail level analysis, because it's a free API with some limited functionalities and limited data. So if someone uses the premium APIs, so this result will be in a detail mode with the more interruptions of the addresses. In the sanctions tab, you can see that sanction has been marked by the open sanctions and it is publicly available. This is the website of the open sanctions, and they maintain the sanctions data. And in the others tab is the token information. So this is a Bitcoin address and there is no token information at this moment. This is transaction information, blockchain information, labels, and the explorer. So if I want to open the explorer, I can simply click here from the explorer and it will redirect the page of the blockchain.com, or I can go through from the here also, view on the blockchain.com, and it will open the blockchain.com with the address which we scanned. So this is of the sanction address. Now we can try another address. Before we move to the another address, I can also show that we have the option to download a report. So when I click on the download report, it will show me the comprehensive address analysis report, which contains the informations of the like SHA-256, the chain type, the address which we scanned, the risk score, the scam detected, the entity name and entity type, the risk breakdown, transaction analysis, and the top counterparty analysis, along with the sanction screening results and the labels in text. So now try the Tron address. So this is the Tron result analysis. So you can see uh, this is the entity of the casino, and entity name is Nohu, and you can see that hash match calculations there because it's matched with my dataset which I worked on. Here, so in the system, once the address is submitted in the system, so it begins the analysis process, which includes the calculating a checksum for the address and comparing it against a predefined dataset. This dataset has been built independently based on my own research, which I mostly work on during my free time. I built this platform mainly for my own research and analysis, especially for understanding the address behavior and linking related entities. There are many paid tools available in the market, but I wanted to build something for myself where my data stays with me and I have full access and control over the analysis. So if a checksum match is found, the platform fetch the additional on-chain information from the respective block explorer, which we already see. So you can see here this is the Tron information, and we can also also like view the Tron. If I click simply, it will open the Tron page with the address which we scanned and the visit of that address here. So now I don't need to go to manually some block to search the address. I simply search in this platform and it will help me very much. This is the counterparty page which we already spoke or talk about it. Sanction page empty, tokens, transactions are there, blockchain, labels, and the explorer. So now let's search the last address, which is Ethereum address. So here is the result of this Ethereum address. The entity is the exchange and the entity name is Epcop Ban. That's the exchange name. So this research done by me, so I know about this part. So you can see the similar breakdown based on the calculation of various factors, and here's the blockchain summary and other information is there. In the counterparty part, you can see here both the informations are there. So we were talking about a tokens part, so now token part is there. If any exchange interaction was there, so that information also will be available here only. In case if some information is missed due to limited free API usage, we can also access those information by clicking on that view on Ether scan or by going from here. And the labels information is there along with the primary counterparty information and the NFT holdings. So now check the uh, other menus options. So in the search we already seen. So in the search we I have the like data set of the 35,000 entries which I have. This is my research data which I worked on, and the data I collected of the cryptocurrency addresses which contained entity names, entity types, and the source addresses, along with the so here's a total searches which I have made during this on this platform during the time of that when this platform is till the time of this platform is running till now. Scams detected by this platform and the production ratio. These are the recent searches which we made, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, which we just made, and here are the recent alerts. So now check the dashboard part. So here's the dashboard part, the total number of searches, scam detected, and the detection rate. So it's the last 7 days activity and the scam categories. So these are the categories which I have like created a list of the categories. So these are the some of the names of the categories and the counts, how many entity names are there. So accounts have 7 different entities names are there. In the carding I have 301 addresses are there of carding, not entity name, sorry for that. And in the below you can see the database stats, top scam entities, and the categories breakdown. So it's showing the how many entities are there and how many checksums of all the addresses are there of those specific categories. So carding has a six different entities, which means 6 different websites along with the 301 crypto addresses, and sorry for that coughing part. So now let's check the search history. So these are the searches which I made in this platform. I can also export the widget to CSV or the or to the like under text form. The watch list part, I can simply add any address or and currently this platform support Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon, and BNB. More chance can be added in the future if I need it, and add that name and add to watch list. So I have created one suspicious entry called Ethereum mining, and I can simply check by going to that check button and it's show me the result if any activity has made. Currently there is no alert systems or notifications there, but in future I can add it. And the API configuration, simply I can add some premium APIs for the from the block explorer to get more detailed results. Simply add your first add. I can simply go to that button and click the chain, the ID, display name, and the URL with the key, and that's it. I hope I've covered all the things of this project. In this demo, I've tested a few crypto addresses as well as one of the sanction address to show how the systems behaves in different scenarios. This project is still evolving and there are areas that can be improved. My main focus has been on the research, which I enjoy the most, and I plan to keep improving this platform over time to time. Thank you for watching, and I would really appreciate I would really appreciate any feedback or suggestions if you have any.